Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2488th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good day, traders. This video is coming at you on Sunday afternoon for trading Sunday through Monday, June 12th, 2023. I thought I would just get us prepared with one of these types of videos, and I'll get out in front of the camera for you for trading, Monday night through the rest of the week. All right, so trading is risky, as we know. Risky, risky, risky. Never, ever trade without stops. Never trade any vehicle at all without stops, be it crypto, fiat, be it the Dow Jones, be it S&P. I don't care if it's an ETF, stock, you name it, option. Don't trade without protective stops, okay? All right, so where are we? Interesting juncture is what we call this a few days back. It absolutely held the 200-ball moving average and exploded. Then got to another interesting juncture and broke out from the 50-ball moving average. And the Dow looks good. OMNI signal looks good. Dow looks good. All right, so maybe we're going to have a nice, strong signal for Sunday night into Monday. And then, of course, we can look at the S&P and check and see what that's doing for us. So the S&P, it looks pretty sharp to me. It's got this huge, monstrous bull flag it broke out of. Created another bull flag, broke out of that. OMNI signal looks good. So, hey, so far I am loving what I'm seeing. And then, of course, I go over and take a quick look at the Russ, and the Russell 2000 says, what, Oscar, what is going on here? Why would you be bullish if you looked at something like me? Don't I look like I'm on my way back down? And the OMNI agrees. So there's a confluence of signals right there. And then I said, well, let's go take a look at what the bigger industry is doing. And I went to the transportation average. And the transportation average, which has been keying off of this 50-bar moving average, and so have the other indices. So algorithms have been keying off of the 50-bar moving average. I'm getting a wacky sell-type signal in the transportation average. Doesn't look nearly as pretty as the signals I'm getting in E-mini S&P and in the YM. The NASDAQ looks pretty good. So we're having a confluence of signals. And then, okay, let's put a little bit of fundamental in here. This is Fed week. It's the beginning of a 2-day Fed meeting starting on Tuesday. Wednesday, the Fed will meet and discuss whether or not they will finally pause raising interest rates. Now, the charts told us, a month ago when I started to show you that this meeting they should pause. But the stock market has gone up a bit since then, so you never know what we're going to get in any event. 2-day meeting coming up, and suddenly we're getting weird signals, some buy signals, some sell signals, and that makes perfect sense to me, to be honest. So just wanted to point that out to you. We will be buying dips in only a couple of U.S. indices tomorrow, not all of them. Depends on where we open tonight and where it travels to. But OMNI's got a beat on several other markets outside of U.S. indices. Let's see what happens with them. We'll see where that goes. So, livewithoscar.com. Please join me there, and I'll see if I can explain the rest of this to you and talk about the other markets that we'll probably play with and stay away from indices unless we get a decent fill in one of them. It's only the beginning of the week. It's only Sunday night. We got all week long. So let's take our time and approach this like professionals. Now, tomorrow, I'll see if I can get Lisa to come join me again in Tales from the Pit, and we'll go further from there. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share these videos. I could use that. I wouldn't mind at all if you posted them around the internet. And then remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Thanks for tuning in, traders. I will see you all in my live chat room at livewithoscar.com.